Reduce waistline overnight literally with the so-called fat loss bomb. We live in a world where everything works on the instant recipe. From foods to health remedies, everyone needs an instant solution for their problem. Especially for the appearance issues like weight and skin repair, we all seek some overnight solutions for our concerns. In women who have waistline issues, it is a great trouble to get ready for an occasion next day because they feel embarrassed with their waistline. So here is the remedy, an overnight liquid balm that drastically reduces your waistline. This amazing fat-burning drink is extremely healthy and beneficial for burning fat around your belly. It's also very delicious. Overnight fat-burning liquid balm, recipe. Necessary ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of grapefruit juice, 1 teaspoon of honey. Preparation: just blend all the 3 ingredients in a blender and give a complete mix to get a homogeneous mixture. How to use it: drink this blended beverage before every meal. Having the juice before lunch and dinner on a daily basis works best on you. After a week, you will see a definite change in your waistline. Most women who have reviewed this drink have spoken about how they lost 1 centimeter instantly. To be a frank person, it works best than any other painful tricks. The drink works because it eliminates the excess fat deposit and water under your waist. Along with this, it also improves the functioning of brain, hearing, vision and memory. As we said, this is a complete refreshing drink.